So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned to the video. Ensure that you like, share, comment and subscribe, people, if you want to get this look. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and install my wig for my birthday, right? So right now she's actually carrying my hair. That's how the wig cap can go on, people. Remember, especially if it's a straight hair, your hair have to be neat, right? So you can put on a wig cap, guys. You're gonna use some got2b spray, but you're gonna cut out the ears section as well. Then after that, now you're gonna have to use your got2b spray, right? But anyways guys, this here I actually got it from Amazon as well. It's actually a 13x4 lace front wig. It's actually pre-plucked as well. It's actually 180 density, guys. Like, people, the hair, you didn't really have to do a lot of plucking. It's like it's already done, and it's actually a 12-inch, you guys. So you know, you have to put on the glue to lay on the wig. But as guys, just continue watching the video. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like more hair videos, let me know below, and ensure that you guys subscribe and like up my video and follow me on TikTok and all my social media, guys. Enjoy.